What if your bread dough could knead itself to perfection while you relax? Bread emoji. If you're tired of sticky hands and weak mixers, this video reveals the top 7 stand mixers for bread that deliver powerful kneading, durability, and bakery quality results at home. Welcome to my channel. I've carefully selected the best options to save you time and money. Check the links in the description to grab your perfect mixer and start baking like a pro. At number 7 is WESTCOOKAID Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer. Here's a bold truth: most budget mixers fail when the dough gets serious. So can the WESTCOOKAID Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer really handle weekly bread baking? I put it through real kitchen stress, and the 6.3-quart stainless steel bowl immediately stands out. It is spacious, stable, and perfect for families baking sourdough or sandwich loaves. The 6 speeds plus pulse give you control, and the planetary mixing action actually reaches the sides, no flour pockets hiding at the bottom. That matters. Now, compared to heavier premium models in this lineup, it is slightly less refined in noise control, but it holds steady thanks to strong suction feed and handles up to 4.1 pounds of dough without overheating. I appreciate the tilt head safety stop and dishwasher safe attachments. Peace of mind is everything. If you want reliable power without overspending, this is a confident, smart buy. Serious artisan bakers may want more torque, but most home bread lovers will feel completely satisfied. On number 6 is Kourice Flat Beater Stand Mixer. What if your mixer was quieter than a conversation but stronger than most in its class? The Kourice Flat Beater Stand Mixer genuinely surprised me. First, the stainless steel cladding does not just look premium, it protects the motor for long-term heavy bread dough use. And when we evaluate mixers for serious home bakers, durability always comes first. The pure copper motor delivers serious torque, confidently kneading dense whole wheat and pizza dough without strain, while improved cooling keeps it running longer with peace of mind. Now here is the standout moment: its 360-degree planetary system with 63 contact points. No scraping. No dry pockets. Compared to other mixers in this lineup, especially mid-range plastic builds, this feels more professional and far quieter at under 55 decibels. 10 speed settings plus an extra boost give precision control. It is an investment, yes. But if you bake bread weekly and value power with calm operation, this is a smart, long-term choice. At number 5 is Camic Cookie Bread Stand Mixer. Here is something most home bakers overlook: capacity and control matter more than brand hype. The Camic Cookie Bread Stand Mixer proves that immediately. With 2 stainless steel bowls, 4.2 quart and 5.3 quart, you get flexibility for small cookie batches or serious bread dough in one smart setup. That nesting design saves space, which many bulky mixers in this lineup fail to consider. Now let us talk performance. The pure copper motor and 10 speeds with pulse give you precise control for kneading sourdough, whipping cream, or mixing thick batter. It stays relatively quiet, and dishwasher-safe attachments bring real peace of mind after messy sessions. Compared to heavier premium metal models, it feels lighter, but still stable enough for weekly bread baking. If you want versatility and value without sacrificing power, this is a confident choice. Hardcore artisan bakers may want more torque, but most families will feel completely satisfied and secure. At number 4 is CEBORY Dough Hook Stand Mixer. What if your bread failures are not about skill but about weak motor power? The CEBORY Dough Hook Stand Mixer tackles that fear head-on. From the first batch of dense whole wheat dough, the direct current motor feels steady and confident, not strained. That consistency matters when you are serious about home bread baking. With 10 speeds plus pulse, you can gently stir, then power through thick sourdough without switching machines. I like that it handles kneading, whisking, and mixing in one clean workflow, solving the common problem of uneven dough texture. The tilt head design makes attachment changes simple, and the food-grade stainless steel bowl gives real peace of mind. Compared to lighter-duty mixers in this lineup, it offers stronger torque, though it is not the quietest option available. If you bake bread weekly and want reliable performance without overspending, this is a smart, reassuring investment for your kitchen. On number 3 is ChefCrafts Household Stand Mixer. Here is the question most home bakers are afraid to ask: can a household mixer really handle serious bread dough without burning out? The ChefCrafts Household Stand Mixer answers that with confidence. Its 660 watt pure copper motor powers through up to 2.2 pounds of flour or 3 loaves without struggling, which is impressive for weekly bread baking. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl gives you family-sized capacity, perfect for batch baking with less mess and more efficiency. 10 speeds plus pulse mean you control everything from gentle mixing to aggressive kneading. I especially like the tilt head and splash guard system, clean, safe, and stress-free. Compared to lighter models in this lineup, it feels more stable thanks to suction feet, though it is slightly bulkier on the counter. If you want dependable power and peace of mind for regular bread making, this is a smart, reassuring buy. At number 2 is VivoHome Wire Whip Stand Mixer. Most beginners think you need a massive motor for perfect bread, but here is the twist: control matters just as much as raw power. The VivoHome Wire Whip Stand Mixer runs on a 380 watt pure copper motor, and for everyday bread baking, it performs better than expected. 8 speeds plus pulse let you gently combine ingredients, then knead with steady planetary mixing that reduces dry spots. The 4.75 quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for small families, though not as large as some heavier models in this lineup. I appreciate the quiet operation, non-slip silicone feet, and overheat protection. These details bring real peace of mind. Compared to higher wattage mixers, it may struggle with extremely dense dough, but for weekly sandwich bread or pizza, it feels reliable and efficient. If you are starting your bread journey and want smart value without overwhelming size, this is a confident, practical choice. Now moving to the last one is Babroun Dough Hook Stand Mixer. What if capacity was the missing piece in your bread baking success? The Babroun Dough Hook Stand Mixer immediately grabs attention with its massive 8.45 quart stainless steel bowl. That means fewer batches, less waiting, and more confidence when kneading large quantities of dough. Powered by a 660 watt pure copper motor, it handles thick bread dough and pizza bases with steady strength. 6 speeds plus pulse give you flexibility, though compared to 10-speed competitors in this lineup, it offers slightly less precision control. Still, for most home bakers, the torque is more than enough. I appreciate the low noise operation, dishwasher-safe attachments, and secure splash guard that keeps your kitchen clean and stress-free. If you often bake for big families or gatherings, this feels like a smart, reassuring investment. Casual bakers with limited space may find it oversized, but serious bread makers will love the capacity and power. After testing all options, the clear winner is the Kourice Flat Beater Stand Mixer. Its professional-grade durability, quiet yet powerful performance, and thorough 360 degrees mixing action make it stand out in the top 7 stand mixers for bread. This one doesn't just knead dough, it ensures even, consistent results every time, with less noise and more reliability. For serious home bakers who want peace of mind, longevity, and real power, this is the smartest, most satisfying choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 stand mixer for bread. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.